So hi Helena.
Hello.
You've been coming to my Pilates for a little while, both online and face to face. I just wondered what your thoughts were.
Well, I really love Pilates. I really make the effort to fit it into my life. And that's because I find it a really good distraction from my everyday business in my life. I don't have to think about what I'm doing at work. I don't have to think about the kids. It's just literally a bit of me time, and I really value that. So it's good for my body, it's good for my mind. I like to learn about things about your body, and I really find Pilates does that. Jane's really good at explaining what's happening in all your body and all the different muscles you've got, and also just explaining how to do the different exercises, but in a really light-hearted way. So come to Pilates because you'll have lots of fun. Everyone's really friendly.
Brilliant, thank you very much.